In this video, let's understand the difference between power and energy. Power is defined as the rate at which a specific work is done or which the energy is transmitted, whereas energy is defined as the capacity to do some work. It is power which is integrated over time. The unit used to measure power is watt or joules per second, whereas the unit to measure energy is joules or watt second. The symbol used to denote power is capital P, whereas the symbol used to denote energy is capital W. Power is an instantaneous quantity, so it cannot be transformed from one type to another. Energy is a time quantity or a component, and it changes from one form to another. Types of power include electric power, optical power, human power, etc. Whereas types of energy include kinetic, thermal, potential, gravitational, electromagnetic, light, elastic, etc. Power quantity is not storable, or to say it cannot be stored. Energy is known to be stored, which can be used in future. Power finds its uses in mechanical application, electrical application, and heat application, whereas energy is used in moving car, heating home, lighting, flying an aeroplane, etc.